What an insane freaking cliffhanger I witnessed last episode. Makima is dead. Kobeni is dead. Probably, actually. Practically like 70% of the cast died. Who is dead, who is alive, I don't know. All I know is that I can't expect anything. Dude, he has blue blood? Looks like paint. Who has blue blood? Wait, what? Oh! The ghost. Jeez. Oh my gosh. He's just gone. Why did she leave? Dude, are they with... Yo! Dude, is he even awake? Why the heart? Because they need pochta. Yes, Denji! Dude, this music! No! She's calling for backup? Or? Dude, you can't handle this on your own? Come on! Why is she gotta be smart? Jeez. Dude. Dude, I'm telling you, this guy is going to be Roanoa Zoro by the end of One Piece. Like, that's not gonna do much. Oh. No, don't do the heart. What? I thought you needed the heart. So fast, you couldn't even see. Yeah, freaking get him. I don't think he cares. I knew it. Of course. Ew, the top. Wait, he cares? Oh my god. He actually cares. No, he doesn't care. He's gonna do it again! Yo, no! Oh. Oh. Oh! Brother. Whoa, they're gonna freaking take him like that. They don't need his legs, that's right. There's more of them? What's wrong with the chainsaw people? What about the chainsaw? Like, you're a hybrid too. Rocky. Oh. Maybe. Okay, Makima, you're definitely not dead. Like, I don't believe that. But your death did kind of trip me up, I will say that. Your death. The way she just stands. The smile. Who are these people? That's right. Hey, at least you survived, guys. Good for you. Who's... Oh. She killed everyone. You weren't shot? But you were shot. But then, like, you just healed. You were shot. I guess not. Dude, Makima's about to bust in here and freaking save the day. Ooh. Why? Yo, it's so suspenseful. Like, I don't even know. You need to grab Denji. Oh, okay. I was like, who are they trafficking? It's the freaking inmates. Okay. Nah, do it yourself. Y'all motherfucking got a lot of audacity. But Denji still has the freaking chainsaw in him, which is funny enough. Like, you would think that he would, like, revert back to himself. Maybe he's still got some fight in him. Oh, you should listen to him. What the motherfucking hell am I watching? What the frick am I watching? Dude, that was Makima! Now that's a death. Yo, get them all. Line them up. Line them up, Makima. That's OP. Yeah. What? Are they a sacrifice? Is it done? Did you complete it? I don't know. Oh, okay, okay. It's classified. I got that. Is he gonna die? Is he gonna explode too? Dude, is he gonna explode? Nah, bitch. You're next. It's that guy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Do you really think you guys can escape? Oh my gosh! I was right. All I know is I can't expect anything. Nah, bish. Nobody can help that. Now Denji needs his, like, you know, lower half, possibly. Dude, get the girl, get them already. These are the people I want over with, you know? Or is Makima gonna take care of that herself? Is she gonna come in, bust in that, take him out herself? That's a massacre. Why? She can't kill them? Those two? Maybe she needs them? Power should at least come back now. What the hell? Is it? He's next? Oh, shoot. Kobeni! So I actually thought Kobeni was dead. Makima, no. It tripped me up. Her death really, like, shocked me. I didn't expect that. Her death, Makima's death. But Kobeni's death, I really thought was dead. But then I thought about it because it's been a week, guys. Kobeni mentioned that she had a contract, but she didn't say which one. That kind of does allude to the fact that, yo, she's not gonna die that easily. She's kind of OP. Secretly, I knew it. I knew she was badass. She's just scared. But when triggered, right, he died. But then she witnessed it. And that's when it's game over, you know? Yes. Get him! Get him, girly! Nah, she got this. I have so much faith in her. Maybe she has a monkey contract. Woo! Did you see that? Dude, that's some slick shit. I love that. Oh, the way she turned back. Yeah! Oh. I thought she was gonna... I thought she was gonna go and take Denji, protect him. She used him as a meat shield. Bro. Honestly, I would too. Yo, please. At least she shot one of them. Bro, get the girly. Get her. Get her. Bro. She reversed? Did she forget how to drive for a second? Dude, Kobeni! I'm so glad she's still frickin' kicking. He's forgiven. Now try and protect him now, you know? What a crazy frickin' life you live, huh? Whoa. It's not your fault. You can protect Denji now though. You can get his other half of his body, please? Dude. Oh, I think Makima couldn't kill them because they weren't humans. Dude, she's gonna do something to make sure he doesn't quit. Watch. She's gonna motivate him. Watch this. Or not? Everything. Not anymore. Does this mean he's gonna die though? He knows too much, right? Like, he can't just resign. Uh-oh. Now she's starting the manipulation. Yo, the episodes literally go so fast. I'm dead ass. Dude. Okay. I was right about this show and that I can never expect anything. No way in hell could I have predicted Makima's power. What happened to their bones? Like, it's like, I have no idea. That is some power. I do kind of want to mention this because some of the comments, y'all are like really excited and really want to like spoil some shit. It's kind of crazy. So like, let's try and avoid that possibly. Put a spoiler warning, man. Just put a spoiler warning. So I avoided reading the comments, but I did see one comment and it was like basically talking about Makima. I think there were some spoilers, like something with Makima. Honestly, I'm not even going to mention it because I don't want to even touch that. I also did see a comment mentioning Makima's eyes. So if you look at Power's eyes and you look at Makima's eyes, they look pretty similar, right? And those two people that got away are non-humans. And I think Makima's power only works for humans, which is why she said that this is all she can do. Dude, if Kobeni was able to like do something, but there's no way they would have died, now that I think about it. They're like too OP. But Kobeni freaking kicked ass and saved the day. For real. But Kobeni's great. And now she might be able to protect Denji, get his lower half of his body back. So now we know what happened last episode, okay? Some people died, some people are alive. That's basically what happened. I had no idea who was alive at that point. But now I know. Now Kobeni doesn't know that Himeno is dead. So that's gonna be something. I feel bad for Kobeni. And yeah, I knew she was good. She was a little badass beneath everything. I freaking knew it. You just need to trigger her enough. I don't really know what her power is, like what contract she has, honestly. Like what it does, but it is cool. She's pretty cool. I like her a lot. And that's about it. I mean, it was just a beautiful episode, honestly. Like last episode was just like a mind-boggling what the hell was going on process that I still did not even understand what the hell was going on. And then this episode was kind of explaining what the hell happened last episode, and then just like beautiful fights. And then just like a lot of more knowledge in Makima power and everything, and Kobeni's power. Now where the hell is Power is the real question. Power just ran off? Why? Like, she doesn't really care if they die or live, right? But where'd she go? What'd she do? Why? I need to just know if there's more of a reason for that. If there isn't, then I guess, oh well. But, I want to know. Maybe there's a reason for the reason why she ran off. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to go and edit this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video. The full version is on Patreon. And melon out.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Ha! have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never